Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'll tell you how to fix unable to join the network error on iPhone and iPad. Many iPhone users have been getting frustrating errors while trying to join a Wi-Fi network on their iPhones or iPad these days. When users try to connect to their Wi-Fi network at home or office, they got this unusual error all of a sudden and was unable to join the Wi-Fi network. So in this video, I'll tell you how can you fix this issue of unable to join the network error on the iPhone and iPad. So let's start the video without wasting any time, but first subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. So the first thing, you should go for reset network settings on your iPhone. If any of the settings in the iPhone is changed, then this problem might tend to occur. When detecting which setting is causing this issue is impossible. Resetting all of the settings is the only way to resolve it. For this, go to settings, tap on it, scroll down and then tap on general, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on it and then tap on reset. In the pop-up box, you will see the option of reset network settings. Tap on it. It will require your password, so type your passcode and you need to confirm it by tapping on the reset network settings again. After it is done, resetting all settings on your iPhone, see if the fix worked or not, and you are done. And the next step is forget the Wi-Fi network and rejoin it. When this kind of error message occurs on the iPhone, it could probably be because the password or other details of Wi-Fi have been changed. So forgetting the Wi-Fi network and then reconnecting it again to your iPhone can resolve this issue. For this, go to the settings page, tap on it and then tap on Wi-Fi and then tap on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Here you will see the option of forget this network, tap on it and then tap on again forget to confirm and then tap on this network again and enter your password. Now tap on join and you are done. And the next step is turn off the Wi-Fi option and turn it on again. Some iPhone users have tried this way to fixing this issue by simply toggling the Wi-Fi option on their iPhone by simply turning it off first and then turning it on. We recommend trying this method and seeing if this helps. For this, go to the settings page, tap on it and then tap on Wi-Fi option. On the Wi-Fi page, tap on the Wi-Fi toggle switch to turn it off first. Then wait for some time and enable it again by tapping on the Wi-Fi toggle button. And you are done. And the next step is connect the Wi-Fi network to a PC. If any Wi-Fi network has any issues connected to any mobile device, then you can try connecting it to PC or Mac first and try using it. After it works perfectly fine with the PC, you can try connecting to the Wi-Fi network on your iPhone. This should actually work for you and you should not get the unable to join network error anymore on your iPhone. And the next step is restart the iPhone. This can also be simply fixed sometimes by just restarting the iPhone. To restart your iPhone, go to the settings page, tap on it, scroll down and then tap on general, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on shutdown. Slide to power off to turn your device off. After that, to start your iPhone, you need to press and hold the volume up and power button together till you see the Apple's logo sign on your screen. Check if the problem is fixed or not and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.